Not, yeah, it's not gonna wipe off.
Better.
Yeah.
It's a building.
Yeah, this is the same thing. This is the head of it.
You just gotta pick it out.
So we need to fold down this thing and tap that end off.
Pull it out and tap it.
Smack it up, flip it.
Sarah went in and she hugged them.
Oh, I see.
How's that?
It's rocking around in there, but it's not. There's something binding here, so we gotta flatten it a little more. Jimmy it.
Oh, yeah, it was pretty funny.
God damn.
It's coming along.
Coming like crap through a goose.
There were some crazy costumes.
This will be a good one for that little
They were really good.
hook thing. Where's the hooker?
But this was last night.
Andre,
Hey, Andre, let me borrow
give
your.
a girl your hooker.
Let me borrow your hooker.
I know.
There's
And like the boobs. See the boobs coming out?
There you go.
There's a meme going around.
And it's stuck.
And they were giving away
Right
baby
here.
Jaeger racers. I don't know why anybody would want that, but I know.
They need
Hey,
the
Andre.
bang bang
Hey,
boys.
Andre, let me borrow your hammer too.
Give the hammer, Andre.
Wow.
Hammer,
Oh, they were hysterical.
hammer.
Jesus Christ, do you want me to hammer it for you?
They
Yeah.
were funny.
Hammer, hammer. Scalpel, scalpel.
There's like a meme on Facebook where it says the kids dressed up for Halloween, and they're all wearing a
There you go.
harness. This witch, zombie,
A little bit more out, but it doesn't feel like it's
Your hammer with
breaking
that
free at all.
crazy headdress.
Yankee poop. Hammer.
I'm gonna greased up.
There
Mike, can you just maybe tap this?
That was
No,
really
you gotta
funny.
tap it this way. Wait,
And
which
then
one?
it Teletubby.
I'm on the bottom one.
Oh, okay, well, let me.
I'll take it down.
There's some funny ones. Oh, Lord.
We were eating it like a girl earlier.
Oh, you were?
Yeah,
So we totally missed you.
I think this is the end, but it looks like it's straight. I can't tell.
Okay.
there's like six,
Is it coming out?
That
The
was
bottom
the
one?
93
Popping out?
and I'd already left.
Luna, stop crying, please. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you
Is
can.
it out?
Depend.
Wow.
This motherfucker.
It's here. It needs to be pinched over here.
Yeah.
Carol Ann going into the light on this side.
I just can't see it very well.
Get that one out?
Get it right there.
Oh, yeah.
Pinch that baby
Oh,
down.
okay.
Let me get the good pliers.
Yeah, there you go. Pinch that down. So we'll get this out, and then we're gonna start separating stuff.
Sorry.
Just gotta get all the hardware loose. Woo, boy.
No, he's still.
Let me borrow that hammer.
Oh, girl needs a hammer.
I'll be the hammer holder.
You're the hammer holder. Mike is in charge of the hammer. You're Thor today.
It needs to come out more, and I can't get the hammer in there to tap it out.
Deb wore a white dress to the dirtiest thing in the whole place.
Yeah, it may have been.
I once saw this
Contraindicated.
guy with his girlfriend at the wrecking yard, and she was wearing like a white leather mini skirt and a white blouse and white shoes. And I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? It's like, if you breathe anywhere, you're gonna get dirty.
Yeah, this is the junkyard.
Now we can.
We don't dress like that at the junkyard. I like the junkyard.
I do too.
Like a 3
We should do that again. That was fun that one time the Great Autos did that.
Junkyard fun times.
No, I spent a lot of time at pick-a-parts when I was
Okay.
younger. And,
Oh, here we go. Now,
I went with my friend once, and they had this like no open-toed shoes rule, and he was wearing sandals. So I went back to my car and I duct taped his toes, and then
Pins out.
Punch?
Sun's out, guns out.
punch or an extension, something we can.
Then you gotta get the bottom one.
ouch. Yeah, there's one more here. All right, let's see.
oh, how was that?
That's equally bad.
Wonderful, but I mean, they had this
Start
rule.
scraping until we find
It
something.
said the same thing. It's like, oh dear. I don't think I got. And then I had a pair of cowboy boots. So I put those on. Which one is yours?
I think
Quite a.
that one's folded over.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, they.
How's that one looking, Peter?
Well,
Oh, Wick's got the
it was good
punches
until
out.
I smashed it.
Where are you going? Right here? This guy?
Yeah, that one needs to be punched back this way, and then the bottom one needs to go in the opposite direction.
What am I doing in the store?
There you go.
Mike's in charge of the hammer.
Yep, that's
We've
my job.
designated him a job. He's Thor.
There you go.
See, you should have wore a Thor costume. That'd be
Okay,
funny.
just-
Mike's like, no.
Oh, that's much better.
This is not.
Now
a
I can
ring
see
screw.
shit.
This is not a superhero body for these kind of costumes.
Come back through.
Oh, I see it now.
Oh, there it is. Come on, Mike.
It's
Be
better when
fun.
you can see.
There you go. Now our girl's got it.
Not yet.
Now you're cooking with gas.
Yeah, cooking.
Yeah, it's too far in.
Ooh, there you go. Man, you had it lit up. It was nice.
Oh, I was like, where's my
And
light?
then once you get that,
Thank you very much for calling me. You will actually call me Bob. You have a question about your service? I mean, press one.
Yeah, it's all the way in here.
There, it's starting to.
What are we doing here? Are we taking off the drum or?
we're going to take the whole suspension apart.
They flattened out.
We're getting all the cotter pins out.
Yeah,
Yeah, because the head's spinning.
And then as soon as the cotter pins out are all out, then we can start taking the hardware apart and popping the suspension apart.
yeah, the end of the cover.
These boys are going to get dirty.
In a dirty hole.
Can we hit it from the other side? Back out.
You got flattened out.
Yeah, no, it bent down.
You'll be able to grab it.
Actually, the head's on this end.
Yeah, the head's on this side.
How's this one overall?
I think it's almost there. Just gotta get it to sneak out here.
Grant's coming in hot.
Yeah, I hear him.
You done an LS, or you just happy to see me?
It's rolling.
Oh dear.
Luna's like, I'll play with that.
Let me borrow that hammer again. You
Hammer
got-
time.
Let's see if that'll. Oh no, that's not helping at all.
We are banging and bumping and doing everything else. And then
It's battery, so if you untwist it, maybe the battery's good.
Yeah, my klutzy ass.
He's alright. He's not really.
I'm sorry.
trying to fill. All right, get that last bit out.
There, now-
Pinch
now
them
it's-
together. You'll be good. Then you get that out, and then you can start. We'll start having you bust these things apart. Luna's like, Grant's here, Grant's here, Grant's here, Grant's here.
There goes my
Look
glove.
at, look at, look at, look at.
Oh, she's happy as shit.
She's like, my friends are here.
It went in.
How's this side coming, boys?
It went in. We just hold it in. It's moving. I know, but was it hard?
I mean, there's a.
Yeah, I mean they're pretty well twisted.
Oh, they are? So they're not flat? They're
No,
not straight?
they're not straight because I can't get in and reach
There you
it
go.
with needle nose pliers.
You want the hooker? Get it on one side with a hooker and pinch this side.
Oh, good idea. Who's got the hooker?
I got the hooker.
Oh. All right,
I
let's see.
can't see the hole.
Oh.
Put me in the hole.
Huh.
Oh, girl, help me put it in the hole.
Here, you pinch and I'll
I'll
hook.
pinch and you put it in the hole.
Yeah. Ooh, teamwork.
Teamwork.
It's not coming at all. Huh.
There you go. You're wiggling it.
Needs a little persuasion.
You can break it.
Yeah, unfortunately we can't get on it to break it.
Now we could just take a pair of nips and cut it at this bulbous end and then pull out half of the top.
Yeah. Hey! Come on over and get filthy. All right.
Yeah, that's not.
This is the.
This one's a little bit. They bent it so much it was all.
I'm trying to get that one out.
Yeah, did you get rid of half?